क्या आपका सपना है cabin crew बनने का in 2026? So this video is for you. So section 4 is your bonus points. Your fifth question is what situation required you to make a quick decision? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel FA Dipanshi. This side Dipanshi with you all. I hope you all are doing good. If you're dreaming of flying with Indigo as a cabin crew member in 2026, so see this video. This video is going to help you. So today in this video, I am covering everything from the eligibility criteria till the selection process, and I'll walk you through 10 actual questions जो कि इंटरव्यू में पूछे गए हैं. So अपना पेन पेपर चाय कॉफी लेके बैठ जाओ क्योंकि वीडियो को एंड तक देखना ताकि कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिस ना हो जाए. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the ghanti so you get the notification whenever I upload the next video. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So the section number 1 is your eligibility criteria. Before even you apply, please cross check if you're eligible or not. Here are some official eligibility criteria you need to follow. You must be between 18 to 27 years of your age. For female candidates, the height is 155 centimeter, and for the male candidates, it's 173 centimeters. Your weight should be in proportionate to your height. Talking about education qualification, you must have passed 12th from a recognized board. A graduation degree is preferred but not mandatory. You must be fluent in your Hindi and English, and if you know any other languages, that is a plus point for you. You should have good eyesight. The vision should be 6 by 6. Talking about experience, freshers are welcome to apply. But if you have any experience in customer service, in aviation industry, or in hospitality, that's a plus point for you. Now that you know about the eligibility criteria, let's straight away jump into the selection process. Section number 2, Indigo Online Assessment. सो रिसेंटली इंडिगो ने अपना सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस अपडेट किया है. अगर आप ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट में सिलेक्ट होते हो, पहले आपका ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट होगा. अगर आप उसमें सिलेक्ट होती है, देन दे विल मेल यू और कॉल यू फॉर द इंटरव्यू राउंड्स. सो ये स्टेप 1 इज योर ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन. आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले. सेकेंड स्टेप इज योर ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट. दिस इज वॉट वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन टूडे. नाउ द ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट इज योर फर्स्ट फिल्टर जहाँ पे 90% कैंडिडेट्स रिजेक्ट हो जाते हैं. तो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली ब्रेक इट डाउन फॉर यू. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दे विल चेक इज योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग skills. The second thing they will check is your logical answer. आप कितने logical answers दे रहे हो, कितने नहीं दे रहे हो. Third, they will check your situational judgment. For example, if they have given you a question like what if the passenger is rude to you, so आप इसमें आप कितना situational based awareness है आपकी, कितना आप अच्छे से answer करोगे according to the situation. Fourth is your personality assessment. They will definitely check your communication skills and your personality. Fifth is your general awareness. Okay, so basic aviation and current affairs, they will definitely cross check this. सो टोटल टाइम असेसमेंट का 30 मिनट्स है, जिसमें से आपको 60 सेकंड हर एक क्वेश्चन के मिलेंगे, जिसमें 10 क्वेश्चन आपके इंग्लिश में होंगे और एक क्वेश्चन आपका हिंदी में होगा. हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 60 सेकंड्स मिलेंगे, जिसमें से 10 सेकंड आपके क्वेश्चन रीड करने के लिए होंगे. उसके बाद स्क्रीन ब्लैंक हो जाएगी. उसके बाद यू हैव टू स्पीक योर आंसर. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, वेरी प्रोफेशनल while speaking your answer, because they will record your video and they will cross check how you are speaking and how you are behaving on the screen. So these are the 10 questions जो recently इंडिगो पूछ रहा है. प्लीज वीडियो को एंड तक देखना ताकि कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिस ना हो जाए. So your first question is, what place near your home do you visit more often? What you usually do it there? The second question is, what phone apps do you use and why? The third question, what does your closest family member or friend do on weekends? Your fourth question is, what mistakes taught you important lessons? Your fifth question is, what situation required you to make a quick decision? Your sixth question is, describe a time you pursued a new idea. Your seventh question is, what cultural misunderstandings have you witnessed and how was it resolved? Your eighth question is, how would you say no to a person very politely? Your ninth question is, what key ideas did you take it from a complex or a video? Your 10th and the last question is, आप अपने खाली समय में क्या करते हो? Explain it in Hindi. So all the 9 questions you have to explain it in English, and the one question which is in the last कि आप अपने खाली समय में क्या करते हो उसको आपको हिंदी में explain करना है. So section 4 is your bonus points. Before I wrap up quickly, I'll give you quick tips to clear the online assessment. Tip number 1 is practice English daily. Prepare yourself like a pro. For situational based question, always choose the answer with the empathy that shows empathy and professionalism. Tip number 3, study basics aviation terms and DGCA regulations. Tip number 4, manage your time in the online assessment. If you are confused or if you are fumbling to answer, take a moment, take a 2-3 seconds of pause and then answer. So that's a wrap, guys. I've discussed everything from the eligibility criteria to the 10 all assessment questions. If you have any questions, any doubt, please comment down below. I'll be happy to assist you. Save this video so you can watch it again before you do the online assessment. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel and hit the ghanti so you get the notification whenever I upload the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. All the very best.